you ever look at the world today and wish you could do something to protect our environment? We all have good intentions, but sometimes we can feel like there are so many things wrong that we don't know where to start. Imagine if you could make a difference, and it was simple to be part of the solution. The widespread use of chemicals and its harm to our environment continues to rise. Worldwide, pesticide use is currently in excess of £5 billion per year. This is devastating our environment and a major cause of global warming. 50 to 70% of the world's pollution comes from the chemical industry, and the increase on our dependence of chemicals is in direct proportion to the rise in sickness. The chemicals currently being used today are some of the most dangerous substances known to mankind. This not only threatens long-term human health, but it also threatens our fragile ecosystem. The choices each one of us makes on a daily basis can and does affect your life and that of future generations. Finally, it's simple to do the right thing. The organic industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world and is a vital key if we're to have a sustainable future. By choosing certified organics, you protect your health and support the entire ecology of our planet. Have you ever thought how amazing it would feel to be rewarded for doing something you truly believe in? Now you can be part of this ethical and sustainable industry. We have developed a unique business model and sophisticated marketing strategies that allow you to create wealth from home with integrity. How would you like to be part of the solution and stop contributing to the problem? Please do something. Join the revolution and help change the world. To find out more, please visit our website.